the mechanics of the game is you have to eat the apple without using your hands. Yes, so your mouth only. No using of hands. You should put your hands behind you. Okay? So the one who can finish, you can, just a minute. Maybe we do the timer. No? Sino maka-timer dyan? Timer, Ram. 5 minutes. We'll do it 5 minutes. The one who can eat most of the apple will win. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So,
The count of 3. Let's start. Now they will see who was the hungriest. This is the...
Patay kayo.
okay.
Kanina pagutom na si Mark.
Get set, go!
Oh, doon yun sa mouth. Doon yun sa mouth.
No using of hands, please.
How can I bite this one? It's so hard.
National! National!
Okay. Ilang minutes na lang? Okay, you have 1 minute more. 3 minutes more. To eat the apple. Yes!
Disqualified!
Nahulog.
Disqualified!
Nahulog!
Now you disqualified! Hanggat hindi nahuhulog, hindi disqualified! Isa kang henyo! Ang linis ah!
Palawin ka! Nainin ko pa yan!
Ang linis! Tete, kanina pa yan, Tete, hindi pa nagagalaw!
Come on! We have a winner!
Ay, kaya pala!
Second is...
Hindi ka makakagat eh!
At nakakain, di ba?
Andrea, where's Andrea? What happened to Andrea?
Nalaglag!
Okay, we have a winner now. Anil.
Sino?
Okay?
Australia mo, Teng, wala talaga, Teng! Tumatalon? Hindi ko makagat.